Welcome everybody to Magnolia on Money,
where we discuss everything financial from the economy to retirement.
This is Magnolia on Money. Welcome back everybody. Today's show is about the time value of money. So you've all heard start saving early as you can because it really makes a huge difference. And we have an example that shows that. So a lot of this is for our younger listeners, but somebody who's further along in their career, this is not to discourage you from saving whenever you can. But this is a very powerful example of starting early. So we have what we call Saver A and Saver B, two different people. Saver A is the typical person who, they did not save any money. They started saving money at age 28, maybe when they got into their career and got going. They bought the new car and got into the new house and all those things early in life and maybe couldn't save till later on. So they started saving at age 28 and saved all the way to age 65. So their balance at the end is $443,000. Okay, not bad. But then we have what we call Saver B. So the very studious saver, got their new job right out of college or whatever, out of high school, and here they go. They're starting to save their money early, but they stop. So at age 27, they stopped saving, never saved another dollar until age 65 when they retire. Look at those differences. So over $100,000 more for the saver that only saved for 10 years and then stopped versus the saver that didn't save in the beginning and then saved all the way to age 65. So very, very powerful, and that's why we recommend people start as early as they can.
Yeah, and part of this is you see Saver B stopped after 10 years. We always encourage people to continue saving, but for this purpose, it does show the earlier the better. There's a few reasons behind that. One is because compounding interest over time takes off, but also two is if you start a job and you start receiving a paycheck, it's kind of hard to start saving after you know what that paycheck is. So we encourage, go ahead, start early, and you will never miss the money.
Right. So your lifestyle, you kind of set your lifestyle to the saving that starts early. So powerful example. And don't, like I said earlier, this is not to, prevent somebody or keep somebody from saving down here later in life. It's a very powerful tool. And a lot of times clients are asking, what I want to do something for my grandchild. What can I do? And we always say, what you can do for their financial future is start them an account, start putting some money in there and get them started. Because what if you could do this when they were age 1 and you only did it till maybe age 18 when they left high school? What that number would be. It's a really big number. So hope this helped. And as always, y'all have a great week. God bless. We'll talk to you soon.